Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Pexels branding assets with proper attribution. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Pexels website. In the top right corner, locate and click on the sign up button if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Pexels account. Once logged in, navigate to the branding section found in the website's footer. Click on the Brand Assets link. Here, you'll find various branding resources available for download. Select the branding assets you want to use. Download the preferred assets to your device. After downloading, open the file to view the assets. Review the guidelines for proper attribution provided along with the assets. To use the assets correctly, follow the attribution format specified in the guidelines. Make sure to include the Pexels name and a link back to the website as required. If you're using images, ensure the attribution accompanies the visual content displayed. For videos, include the attribution in the video description. Always double-check to ensure your attribution meets Pexels requirements. Save all your content with the proper attribution before publishing. This will ensure you are compliant with Pexels branding policies. You are now ready to share your content using Pexels branding assets correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.